looks pretty good. The rear specifically got designed to look more sleek. This emblem, it's like three-dimensional, honestly, just to give that pop. I just don't like how stiff door handles can be, so we got this one a little looser. Can you please go to the stage? They want you right now. Can you please get on it?
No, it wiggles.
You need to get on it.
It wiggles.
Everyone's waiting for your speech.
But it wiggles.
There's a ghost that haunts this trunk. I didn't want to mention it. What? It just opened more. I think I hear something. Oh, fuck. Oh my gosh. I mean, if only I could see what's under there. I think I'm just gonna have to check. I need to see what this is. Oh my gosh. It's worse. It's Rita. So this is all her stuff that's actually in there. There's this box full. This is trash. That's trash. This box is her stuff.
Tell them why I have all
This
that
stuff.
shit. Tell them why.
And then here's my stuff. A hat.
Tell them why. Why do you have her name?
I got a shirt. An old ticket. You don't need to see that. You're good. You're good. You don't worry about it.
I'm jealous that you don't have anything. My car is broken. There's nothing I can do about it. It's gone forever. Alexander, rest in peace. We will miss you. 2005 to 2019.
Longhorn Cafe Burger. What would you rate it?
I barely passed the Rita test. 70 out of 100.
You got something on your nose.
Do I really? Is it gone?
No, it's still there.
Stop. Do I really?
No. I thought you were full.
I was, but now I don't feel full anymore. These are Payless brand before Payless shut down.
Payless is shut down.
And they smell. Because I peed myself and the pee got on the shoes and I stepped in dog. So they're going in the trash now.
What about those that you're wearing?
These are fine. They are my mom's.
You haven't peed in those yet?
No, I haven't peed in them.
Not yet. Are you sure? It kind of looks like it already.
Yes, I haven't peed in them. Maybe my mom peed in them.
Oh, that's gross. So now that her car is literally gone, all she has is this rental and it is super nice. Aux cord right there. I mean, the floor is beautiful. The seats are nice. Oh, yes, yes they are.
Just a second.
Okay, let me know you're ready.
I'm getting food from Taco Bell.
The nacho cheese Dorito Locos tacos.
Those are delicious.
Okay, one with the Baja Blast,
I need to see how I look.
and a triple double crunch wrap.
Oh. It's literally the same color as her car. What is she doing in there? What the heck is she doing in there?
Single.
Oh my god.
Ring on my finger so you can tell your friends.
How about this? Bam!
How about this?
Time to get some night Popeyes and see what all the hype is. So already it smells like sewage. That's all we came for. It's whatever, we're gonna get actual good food. Only way to do it. If you don't know what it is by looking at this palm tree and those squiggly lines, you clearly have not been here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. What?
It's small. It's
What's-
like a kid-sized burger.
Oh wow. It does look pretty small in your hands actually on camera.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I love their decor. The only thing I don't like is that.
The flowers?
It looks like my grandma's.
What's wrong with your
decoration.
grandma's? That's kind of messed up.
Ancient. Well, you have to show them the door. They closed the doors, so they locked us in here.
And?
Conspiracy theory, they make their burgers out of the humans that get locked in here after close. If you're seeing this, we have died. In-N-Out cooked us. Is something wrong?
I just put meat in my mouth 5 minutes ago and I don't know how to feel about it.
Wait, are you a vegetarian?
No, I'm heterosexual. What does that have anything to do with that though?